This is a brand new 2013 Toyota RAV4. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, 18-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a pollen filter, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, energy-absorbing front crumple zones, ventilated front and solid rear disc brakes, side impact airbags, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.